Hello again, I'm Corey Gray with Launch Agency, and I'm so glad you were able to join us today. You know, attracting clients is just the beginning. Keeping your clients loyal in this really ultra competitive credit repair niche, it's a Herculean task. Welcome to preview of lesson 23 from our groundbreaking course, ChatGPT for Credit Repair Business Owners. You know, in this lesson, you're going to learn how to transform customer relationships using AI. You'll understand why customer loyalty is absolutely essential for the growth of your business, for your reputation, and of course, creating an unbreakable community. You'll understand how to use AI to tailor messages and speak to each and every client's unique and individual needs. You're going to learn how to utilize ChatGPT to respond with empathy, making every single client that you have feel valued, because that's what they really want. And of course, you'll be able to craft meaningful incentives with ChatGPT, turning clients into advocates. Now, are you ready to turn customer retention into a revolution? Enroll in our course and let AI guide you to success in building long-lasting relationships. If you're watching this on YouTube, please click like, subscribe, comment, ask questions, and of course, don't be silly. You need to go ahead and enroll in our course right now. Just click the link below. Join us, and I will see you on the inside.